Hi guys, here's a short review of an interesting timepiece, a Tevise watch 0264. It's not a very well known brand, but it tries its best to appear as a premium one. Here you got their logo, here's another one at the back, even two logos, one at the buckle. It's really nice actually. The whole watch looks very nice, very detailed. As you can see, those very nice Roman numbers, those small details. It makes really good impression. It's heavy, not bulky. The diameter of the case is 41 millimeters. It's got those two sub-dials working, one with the second one with the minutes. The movement is 19 jewels Chinese movement. It's nothing extraordinary. After 12 hours it was late by 1 minute, but it works well. It's an automatic watch, although here this part moves not as smooth as you would want it, but it works fine. It's water resistant, which is very nice because not every Chinese watch, automatic watch is water resistant. Some aren't. This one is. It's got a nice thick glass here, smooth edges. The workmanship is good, I have to say. Here you got the two tags, one made out of paper, second one plastic. What they are saying is that the retail price of it is 598 yen. This is about 80 euro, but practically you can get one from a site like Gearbest, that's where I was buying it, for just around $20 or 20 euro, which is really cheap for this kind of watch. The strap is theoretically genuine leather. Well, it's kinda irregular, so I believe it's leather, although, well, it looks very nice. It doesn't look as a very durable strap, but it surely looks very nice, looks premium. So yeah, it makes a really good impression. The glass has got a blue tint, it's a mineral glass. It makes a really good impression of a nicely built watch, automatic watch for 20 bucks. I think it's really worth the price. You get a 1 year warranty. I haven't got any papers, any form for the warranty, so I don't know how it will work. But even if it would not work, if it would break after a while, here you can see, you can take off the cover, you can repair it if you would be able. So yeah, so it makes really good impression, and I can recommend it. So it's Tevise 0264 watch, a company from Hong Kong. A nice, very cheap, surprisingly cheap automatic watch if you need something for parties where you know that you might lose something like a watch. It's a good thing, it's a good watch, good classy looking watch. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys.